Yeah, you made it up farther than me. You might actually make it. What? Oh, no, 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 no. You were close. You guys, hopefully by now, know and love Bash Mountain. And everything that we have brought here so far has been pretty nice. Expensive, hobby grade, super nice RCs, except for one. We did do one WL Toys here and it conquered Bash Mountain, surprisingly. We're back today with a budget monster truck. This comes in right around $100, about 110 or so. And they say it's 12th scale, which is pretty good. It's completely ready to run. What do you guys think? Is it gonna make it up the hill or not? My money might be leaning towards no, but the WL Toys buggy really surprised me a lot. So under the hood here, we have our LiPo battery, 2-cell, a brushed motor mounted up top with a really unique looking heat sink on there. I kind of like the way that thing looks. And then the receiver ESC combo. Last but not least, our steering servo mounted up front here. And I love that they have just completely taken the TheRcSaylors battery tray thing and straight up copied it. So good luck staying in business. They made it really hard to find this vehicle, probably for a good reason. It's super unbranded, like no brand association to this thing at all, and it's just titled 112. So this might be the world's first official 112. That is the sound of rain coming. So let's power this on, drive it quickly, and try to beat this rain. I think Abby and I are just gonna get a little wet. It is 4-wheel drive. The steering and throttle are both variable and fully proportional, so it's not all or nothing. Right, so it means you can drive slow or fast, anything in between if you want. And then steering, you can make nice wide turns or nice and sharp, so I would consider that more hobby grade, but everything is totally plastic on this vehicle. It reminds me of one of those Spirit vehicles that you can buy on Amazon, and those things are actually really good, but this one is a bit cheaper and a bit bigger. And I think the Spirit vehicles have 12th scale size too, so this one actually comes in quite a bit cheaper than those. Abby, you and I are just getting pelted with rain, aren't we?
Yeah. It's cold today too.
It is cold. Okay, let's go hit our normal small ramp before we try to conquer Bash Mountain. Can't even get any air. This is full throttle.
Try this one.
No air.
Oh, the back wheels went up. Oh, that stick just took it out. There you go. Then I did horrible filming it.
Just not really doing much. Let's hit it a couple more times, then we'll go to Bash Mountain. Oh, just a little. It's
like, it almost looks like the body just came up and nothing else.
It probably is that way. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a wimpy little truck. Let's go to Bash Mountain. Just hurrying this video along, mainly because of this rain.
They probably can't even see it. I don't know,
but I'm, maybe looking.
I'm getting, it's not too bad yet.
Okay, let's go. I don't know if you guys can see this. Abby, show them the top-down view. Top-down. Look at the front right tire. The whole wheel is just pointing out.
Both of them are.
I don't see this holding up extremely well. Here we're at Bash Mountain. Can it make it up the easiest part? Maybe, but these are pretty wimpy tires. It's horrible at holding traction. You guys can probably tell just the way it's driving how I'm sliding around everywhere and I can't even hit that ramp. And it's starting to get wet too, so that should help it. Yeah, oh my gosh. There's reverses. I don't know, that might have been like radio interference.
Oh my gosh.
Like range issues. This is a really, really wimpy truck, you guys. Wow. Wow. It looked way better on the website. Way better. That's why we test these though. Let's see. Can it make it? Can it make it? Full throttle. Full throttle.
Come on, little guy.
Throttle. It cannot even make it up a quarter of the way.
Wow.
Let's try again. We're committed. We're here.
We are definitely committed. We're already soaked.
Come on.
Camera's
come on,
soaked too.
I'm going to let you try it, Abby, because I am not having
if you can't do it, there's probably no way.
You've got to try. You've got to try it. Drive it around down here for a second.
All
see if those wheels are going to fall off. They look, oh my gosh.
Try to keep your hand over the mic.
Yeah. Look, you guys, look at that. Wow. This thing is just falling apart as we're driving it. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to keep our...
I can hardly drive it.
Yeah, I know. I just wanted to get one more opinion before we left because I know this is going to be a really short video.
Okay, so the steering wheel is very like stiff.
Yeah.
I don't know if you noticed that. So it makes it kind of weird to drive.
Look at this, guys. It is so hard to control this truck to even run a straight line, let alone have enough power to make it up halfway up the easiest part of the hill. One more shot, Abby, then we got to go. This rain is picking up like crazy.
It just keeps drifting.
Yeah, right.
I can't even like compensate for the drift.
Same. It's just so underpowered and hard plastic tires. Maybe fun for a kid, but yeah, you made it up farther than me. You might actually make it. What? Oh, no, 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 no. You were close.
I think I win.
You do win. For sure.
Try one more time?
One more time? That's fine, that's fine. We're already soaked. Wow. This is probably the most rain we've ever recorded in. That's it, that's it.
Don't lose faith.
What we'll do, guys, we're gonna make a strong recommendation of an alternative option here at the end of the video. So please stick around for the sake of the rain. That's where the lip is. You're not making it past that little lip. That's usually where we get air. Come on, come on. That's it. We know it can't do it.
Oh, poor little guy.
I know it. I know it.
Oh.
So yeah, we're pretty disappointed in this truck. I think overall, especially for the price point, the light buckets are pretty misleading. You would think we'd have lights, but we do not. And it is just really, really weak. I don't know why the knuckle looks like it's just completely falling apart in there. You can see it's a silver, different color, and it's just pushing the toe way out. So that's horrible. That's a pretty rough truck. I'm not gonna say it's like total garbage or anything. I think any kid that got their hands on this would have a blast with it. But for a little over $100, there's way better vehicles you can buy. And what we'll do is make a strong recommendation linked in the description box below. If you want to check this out on the website, it's there, it's linked, but I'm not recommending that you buy it. However, we'll have an amazing alternative, one of our all-time favorites for right around the same price. Abby and I are literally dripping wet.
I'm just worried about the camera at this point.
Really quickly, we want to thank God for today. Even though it's raining, how often do we get to go play RC cars and trucks in the rain? Not very often. So thank you for today. Yet another RC filled day. And a massive thanks to our Patreon supporters. Because of you guys, we get to be super transparent. You're literally shaking water off the camera. Just thanks to God, thanks to our Patreon supporters. We'll have an awesome alternative video popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.